Hi, I'm Vikas and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm to show you any other formats converts into the PDF formats. PDF24 Creator's website. Go to the en.pdf24.org website and you can go and convert online any other formats into the PDF formats. You can also they have the open source softwares on this website and you can download your computer and your laptop and use for personal and commercial purpose. You show your my computer desktop. Please come to desktop screen and I'm show to you the how to download the 24 PDF Creators software and the how to convert any other formats into the PDF formats. First go to the Google Chrome and type the PDF24 Creators. Here the Google search option shows the various links, but you click on PDF24 Creator website. Here they open the website. They show the various options in this website related to PDF have a different options. In this website given the many more options related to PDF. They show the like merge PDF, compress PDF, edit PDF, convert PDF to, and the different many options shows in this website. As per your utility, you can use different option as per your requirement. They are given the different option, the merger option. In this software, the most best feature is the different JPG and PDF files converts and merge into the PDF formats. If you want to convert the PDF format any other file at a single time, you can use the online option and convert and merge your file. If your choice, download software and use, and otherwise you can go online and convert and merge the files online. The PDF24 Creator software is a very useful software. I am working in the printing industry and use last since 3 years. If you want to download software in your system, click on download option. Then you can use for private and business purpose. There are the two options to use private and commercial purpose. They are totally free, 100% free software and open source software use and download and use your system. Download software and run your system as your requirement. After full installation, here the open software in your system. In this software, show the different options like PDF Creator, File Tools, Compressed PDF, PDF Reader, PDF Printer Assistance, and different many more options. And I am going to show you demo how to convert PDF files and merge PDF files and different options. Here I am open Word file and I am show how to convert into the PDF. Here the given the go to and the print option and click on print and select PDF24 option and click on that option and click on OK. Here they open the software PDF24 Creator and click on save as PDF. Click on the save as a PDF and they saving the option and select your save path. After selecting your path and click on save option, then you check your save folder. Here is the completed the PDF converted file. Here the 100% successful software and work without any watermark. You can convert any other formats like Word file and PDF files into the JPG format and image format. If you want convert into the JPG format, the same procedure, but here the little different changes in the saving option. Click on save as option and open here the various options shows on. If you want the save file in JPG format and text PDF and TIFF format, then click on as per your requirement formats. Here I am selected JPG option and given the another option you can select resolution as per your requirement. Then click on continue and save your folder, your file, and the process simply the very fast process, and you can go and check your folder, your completed process converting into the JPG formats. Here another interesting option in this software, your multiple image files converts into the one PDF file is very easily. Here I am selecting multiple files and click on join option, and here the all image files converts into the one PDF file. Before converting, the asking which quality want you save PDF file. Here I am select medium quality and save in the folder, and then take the little time to convert to image file into the PDF file. Check your folder where you save file. There are file are totally image file make PDF, and open the PDF files. Check all image are taken into the PDF. Here another interesting option is in the software, you can merge two different PDF files into the one PDF files. Hello friends, if your video is very useful, like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends.